We have a Samsung S10e here sent in for data recovery, water damage, of course. What I have here is a known good frame and a known good board. Put the good board into the frame. Connected power flex and prompt to boot. So we could see that if we put our customer board in here and it turns on, we're good. If it doesn't turn on, we know that it is a problem with the board and we have to diagnose it. I'm gonna give this a quick clean before we run our test. Okay. Is this the quickest data recovery of all time?
No, I don't think so.
I felt it vibrate, so it did turn on. There's just no image, as expected. So we might have some missing components over on this side. And we're just going to check these connections. Are they loose? Yep, they are. Got some corrosion happening here. Let's give this section a clean and take some measurements. All right, now we're gonna compare to our good board and see if we have a missing component there. And we do. This guy here is missing entirely from our customer board. Looks like we have 2 kilo ohms. So we're not gonna pull it from our good board here. I'm gonna grab a donor. Doesn't look like there's any corrosion at any other section of the board, so we are gonna focus on this area. I'm gonna go retrieve a donor board. We're gonna pull that resistor and then also use our good board to compare values.
15 minutes later.
I can't find a donor board right now.
Oh no!
So I gotta find that resistor another way. So, good board, customer board. Go to resistance mode and measure. So, 2 kilo ohm. Gonna try and find one. Maybe we'll get lucky. Oh, found one. So, back to our customer board. Let's prep the bonding pads. Alright, so we're gonna just expose. I'm gonna pull that resistor and install it. Okay, so we have the resistor installed. Take a quick measurement. We have our 2 kilo ohms. Yeah, so top row looks good. Now we have a few, that one's loose. All right, flux. All right, let's verify these connections. Solid, 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 solid.
Nice.
We are ready to test. If it still doesn't work, then we can start comparing values to our good board. Here we go. Image. Okay. Let's make sure it boots all the way to the OS, and then we can extract the customer's data. So we have image, but we have no touch. As this is data recovery, we have 2 options. We can go back and repair touch, which might be a quick fix, or we connect this and we hook up a mouse. Do I seriously not have a mouse?
Oh no!
All right, mouse. This was successful. We're just gonna use this method to recover the data. I'll have to contact the customer and get their code, and then we'll back everything up. This was another successful data recovery job. I hope you learned something in today's video. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.